With their wonderful mask and ringed tails, raccoons are one of the most recognizable mammals in the world. And raccoons are really, really interesting creatures. And we have an opportunity here. My friend Kate, who lives in our neighborhood, is rehabbing this raccoon. And this gives us a chance to look really closely at what makes raccoons different from so many other mammals. And this is a little guy, obviously, a kit. And it still is going to get quite a bit bigger than this. But raccoons belong to a family called Procyonidae. And that's a family that includes coatimundis and ringtails and all kinds of other cool mammals. Now, although this guy's really little, he is a handful. I mean, it is really, really a strong little animal. And one of the first things you notice about raccoons is the paws. They have super strong paws, but also, most importantly, they have just great dexterity in these. They're more like hands than feet, really. They have tremendous ability to sense things with their paws. Now, raccoons are largely nocturnal, but they come out a lot during the day, and especially on the coast, because they take advantage of the tides. And so they're more tied into the tides than they are light cycles. Because remember, low tide, they can catch all kinds of crabs and all kinds of salt marsh treats and things that they want to eat. Now, raccoons are true omnivores. In fact, they'll eat just about anything. You know, they eat a lot of plant material, they'll eat invertebrates, and they'll also even eat vertebrates, things like mice and lizards and frogs and things like that. I mean, they're very adept predators. And, you know, obviously this is a little guy, but if you were to try and pick up a big adult, especially any wild raccoon for that matter, it could be really, really dangerous. They have impressive teeth, and they're wild animals. And so you don't want to take any chances and try and pick one up. This one's getting to be a little bit of a handful. I think I'm going to have to put this little guy down here in a minute. But I'll tell you what, raccoons are amazing animals. And sure, they may get into your trash can and cause problems from time to time, but they're wonderful animals here in the Low Country, and they have a right to be here just like any other animal.